'Cause I'm all about the lake life, all night bikini tops tied tight together on the water again. We got the croakies on the Ray-Bans, koozies on our drinks, and you know we're gonna hop on in. I'm down for whatever, there ain't nothing better than out here with all of my friends right now, just hanging out and getting loud out here anchored down. Johnny's on the starboard side and he's getting high. We probably ought to cut him off, but I'll probably just let him be. And we didn't bring no poles, but we're catching a bug.